Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. Today we're gonna learn about order of operations, which is PEMDAS. Something catchy to remember. PEMDAS is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So it's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtractions. So that is the order, okay, of which we learn. Let's go back to the questions right here. Okay. Okay, let's work it out. What's 3 plus 4?
7.
So 7 right here is times 9 minus 5. And we'll add our brackets. And by the way, the reason I did 3 plus 4 first and not times 9 or minus 5 is because in PEMDAS, parentheses comes first, and then it's multiplication, and then last is subtraction. You get it? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now there's still brackets here, so that's in the parentheses category. So let's do 7 times 9.
63.
Yeah, the answer is 63 minus 5. And 63 minus 5 is?
58.
58. And our answer, as you can see, is usually in a Dorito shape like that. You see?
Or upside down mountain.
Yeah, same thing. Like that. Okay, now let's do our other one and write our answer in pink. 58.
I like that color.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, now let's do with this one because in PEMDAS, parentheses comes first. We'll start off with this. 5 minus 3 is?
2.
Okay, times 8 times 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now since all of them are multiplication, we go in left to right order, okay? We don't go like 8 times 2 and then times 7. We go 7 times 8 and then times 2. So 7 times 8 is?
57.
It's 56. 56 times 2 is 112. There we have it, our answer right here.
It's pretty easy once you get it.
Yeah. So let's write our answer as 112. And let's move on to the next one.
Now,
see, now this looks like a mountain.
I have a question. Now that one looks hard, the next one.
This one?
Yeah, what's that little number?
This one?
Yeah.
So those are called exponents. It's just like multiplying by 10. Or like multiplying it by itself. So 6 times 6, you do 6 times 6 2 times. So 6 times 6 is?
Why 2 times?
So because it says right here 2, right? So and that's 6. So 6 times 6, 2 times.
36.
Yeah. So we start off with this one. Keep that in mind. We start off with our parentheses. So our parentheses says it's, what is it? 70 divided by 5 is 14, right? 14. And times that 20 and plus 6 and our exponents. Okay, now we do our exponents because in PEMDAS E comes next. So we'll turn that to a 36 plus 20 times 14. Now, keep this in mind. We don't go left to right now. We do our multiplication because it comes before addition, right? Mm-hmm. So we'll do 20 times 14, which is 280. 280.
How I do it with big numbers, with zeros, is 14 times 2, that's 28, and add a 0.
Yeah, that's exactly how I did it as well. 280 plus 36 is 316, right?
Yep.
316. And that's our answer.
How do you do it in your mind with that?
So I just add, because see the closest thing 280 and 20, there's 20 there, so that's 300, and then add the rest, 16, 316. It's very fast once you get to me. Let's write our answer, 316, and let's scroll down, okay. Next thing is in the parentheses, 81 divided by 9.
It's
So
9
yes, 9
times 5, 45 plus 73.
5 plus 73, right?
Yeah, 45 plus 73.
And then this 9 times 5 is 45 plus 73. And
1
our
to
answer
5.
is
1 to 8.
120. That is our answer.
118.
Are you sure? Okay, let's turn that into 1 1.
Because 4 plus 7 is 11.
Okay, good job. So our answer is 118. Let's write that down. Here. Okay, and let's put it back to our blue color. And the last question, okay? 21 plus 9 is?
30.
30, so we'll write 30 right here. Times 3.
Times 3 times 3.
Minus
That's 9
47.
times 3.
Minus 47. So now we'll do our exponent. 30 times what?
9 times 3.
So that's 27, right?
Yeah.
30
Minus
times
47.
27 minus 47. Okay. So let's do 30 times 27.
Can you give me time?
Yeah. Okay. So 7 times 0 is
0.
7 times 0 is 0. And then 7. So do you got our answer?
Yep.
It's
810.
810. Okay, that was fast. So 810 minus 47 will be, so let's subtract 47 with 37 left minus 800, and then 30 is 770, and then we still have our, how much do we have? It's 773, right?
Yep.
Are you sure that's right? Let's add it to make sure. 773, 7 plus 3 is 0, and 1 here, 2. I don't think that's correct. It's 763. There we go. Good thing we make sure, right? 763. And there we have it. That's our answer. 763. And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Smash that like and subscribe button. Bye.